Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of skateboarding with the Magneto Mini Cruiser Skateboard, which is touted as one of the best cruiser skateboards on the market. Stick around as we explore all the features, benefits, and why this board might be your perfect ride. First, let's talk about the Magneto Mini Cruiser Skateboard itself. This skateboard is designed for riders of all ages and skill levels, making it an ideal choice for beginners, teens, and adults alike. It's a compact and portable cruiser that promises an exceptional riding experience. But what sets it apart from the rest? One of the standout features of the Magneto Mini Cruiser is its construction. Crafted from 6 full plies of Canadian maple, this board is not only strong but also incredibly durable. The top of the deck features a sand grit finish, providing excellent grip for your feet, ensuring a safe and comfortable ride. But what makes this board even more exciting are the double kicktails. These kicktails add a whole new level of fun and versatility to your ride. Whether you're into manis, ollies, flip tricks, or tic-tacking, these kicktails have got you covered. Plus, the asymmetric design of the front and back kicktails gives it a cool directional surf-style look while maintaining top-notch performance. Now, let's talk about the hardware. The trucks on this board are made from quality gravity cast aluminum, ensuring reliability and sturdiness. With a 5-inch hanger and a kingpin angle of 55 degrees, you can expect a smooth and responsive ride. The wheels and bushings are cast in high-quality SHR polyurethane, leaving no room for plastic parts on this board. One of the standout aspects of the Magneto Mini Cruiser is its size. With a length of 27.5 inches, a width of 7.5 inches, and a wheelbase of 18.5 inches. It strikes the perfect balance between being compact and offering enough room for your feet. It's incredibly portable, making it the ideal choice for skaters on the go. Whether you're commuting, cruising, or simply having fun, this board is up for the task. Now, let's talk aesthetics. Magneto understands that style matters, especially for everyday skaters. The graphics on this board are designed to inspire you to skate everywhere you go. The tiki design, in particular, adds a touch of uniqueness and personality to your ride. It's not just a skateboard, it's an expression of your passion for skating. The Magneto Mini Cruiser Skateboard comes at an incredibly affordable price point. You're getting a top-quality skateboard without breaking the bank. But wait, there's more. If you're looking to enhance your skateboarding experience, consider adding some accessories like the slicks, stainless steel race bearings, or protective gear like the JBM Adult and Kids 3-in-1 protective gear set. These items can take your skate sessions to the next level while keeping you safe. In conclusion, the Magneto Mini Cruiser Skateboard is a fantastic choice for skaters of all ages and skill levels. Its durability, versatility, and stylish design make it a standout option in the world of cruiser skateboards. Plus, with its affordable price, it's accessible to everyone. So, if you're ready to hit the streets, the park, or just enjoy a smooth ride, be sure to check out the Magneto Mini Cruiser Skateboard. You won't be disappointed. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and as always, keep rolling and exploring the world of amazing products. See you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our latest product reviews and recommendations. And if you've had any experience with the Magneto Mini Cruiser Skateboard, share your thoughts in the comments below. Happy skating!